Before we proceed our OS installation, we're going to create a bootable drive. We will use Rufus to create a in device, select device or choose your flash drive. In boot selection, just select disk or ISO image and then select or locate your OS, your operating system. We will use Windows 7 to our OS. In partition scheme, we will use GPT. If the partition style of your laptop or of your computer is GPT, then use GPT to your Rufus bootable flash drive. In volume level, this is the name of your flash drive. In file system, use F8032 as a default. And then, start. We will wait until it's done.
We will show you how to create a bootable drive using Rufus app and install OS using VirtualBox. So let's start. Just click this new button, then insert this name of this project. So you can see here, there's a name, machine folder, type, and version. I'll just click this in the type and select this window, Microsoft Windows, and select the right version of the Windows we're installing in the right specification of our laptop. Just click this Windows 7, then next. You can see here, it will now ask for the amount of RAM. I will just use this recommended size that the computer given, but you can also choose your own size of RAM in this part. But remember this, that if you choose the wrong amount of RAM, it will not proceed or be finished, so the installation will not be complete. So I highly recommend to you guys that to choose this recommended type of the computer given. And I'll just click next.
Now, as you can see in this part, after asking the amount of RAM, before this, now it is asking for this amount of hard disk. Since we are doing this in VirtualBox, we will just select this one. Create a virtual hard disk now. Then, I will just click create. Then, we will select the HDD type in the middle, which virtual hard disk. Then, click next. And choose dynamical allocated. And then, click next. In this part, you don't need anything because it will automatically select the right amount of size So you can just click the create button and it will done. After that, we will go back to the project we created and change this empty. Here to Windows 7 or the OS we choose earlier, then start.
In this part, we will start the installation of OS. Choose language, time, and currency format. Then click Next. Then click Install Now. Check then I accept license. Then click Next. It's up to you, user, which type of installation do you want. But this tutorial we will use custom installation.
In this part, we will create partition. Click New. It depends to the user on how many partition size they want. In this case, we will just make one partition and divide the total of size into two. Then click Apply. Click OK. For the remaining unallocated space, click New. Then click Apply. Click Next. Wait until the installation is done. Now the installation is complete.